shake it, 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 shake it like a Polaroid picture. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
There's like so many fans. Oh no. Oh, get foul, get foul, get foul, get foul. I'm like the.
I think we're about to be.
I gotta hit a bomb now. I gotta hit a bomb now.
Get out of here. Stay fair. Let's go.
Y'all been doing good? Y'all been doing good?
Right, so I need to play some Little Baby or something.
Yeah.
Want fun?
Yeah.
Want fun? Let's go.
Come on.
Come on.
That was nuked.
Oh, I think it hit that van in the parking lot.
What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Who?
Ball four. Bishop ball four.
First week I can't punch the play umpire in the chest.
Yes, you can. Oh, yes, you can.
We're gonna do it.
Hey, he's trying to throw a lot of that off speed. Okay, it's it. Whatever. You see the spin? What was it? Is that a curveball or a changeup? Yeah. He does this and wiggles up here. Hold on.
I gotta keep my chest and hit the ball that way. That way. Stay that way. Come on.
Bryce, be smart. Be smart.
Had a baby. Good start. Good start. Good start. Had a baby. Had a baby. I like that. Good job.
Let's go. Hey, baby, right here. I believe in you. I know you about to do it. Hey, I got it. Hey, I got it.
Enjoy the moment right now. This is pretty cool. Our goal was to come here. Now our goal is to win it.
Hey, let it all out. This is a time to remember right here, boys.
Our goal is to win it right now. We got to go from the jump, guys. We got to go from the jump.
All those Red Bulls that we've had, all them monsters Mike has poured in his eye, everything. Hey, I want it. All the bathroom slides Orlando did on his belly.
Hey, let's go.
In there.
Everything you got.
Yes.
I want it. Everything you got. Everything you got in your heart, you got to leave it on that field right now.
Hey, let's go. Hey, I want it. Here, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, 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 hey.
Hey, good luck.
Bro, what was that? What was that? That was terrible.
Dude, Bentley, you're so him. I wish I was a lefty. I can't even lie. Lefties are cool.
When are you running for president of Cooperstown Dreams Park? Never.
I got him. I just need chicken jockey. Wait, do you have your Cunha stuff?
Hey, should I do this? I want chicken jockey.
That's what that'd probably be my best option.
Chicken jockey.
Is those two and then a set.
This is our very official Commander Pete pin. This is the rarest pin that you can get at Cooperstown Dreams Park. This is, along with us, is who created pin trading here at Dreams Park. Okay? Everybody's going to want to trade. Do not trade this pin even for 100 pins. You take this home, you put this with all your memory keepsakes, okay?
Don't break it. Not yet. And then eventually when you get home, then y'all can break a piece off for yourself.
Might be history, but tonight is her story.
You better know it.
Let's go, baby.
Give me a T. G. Give me a B. B. Give me another G. G. What does that spell? GVG. Let's go GVG. Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to Cooperstown Dreams Park. We having fun yet or what? All right, guys, I need some moms and dads. I need some moms and dads. Hands in the sky, you're coming with me. Mom, you're in. Let's go. Dad right there. Mom, let's rock. Right here. Yep.